Dear student, welcome back to Ask Rare Class Notes YouTube channel. We have started solving 195 SLO Based Computer Science MCQs of Class 11 Unit-wise in 9 lectures. Today in Lecture 7 we will solve 20 MCQs on wireless communication of Chapter 6. All previous lectures links are given in the description. Before starting lecture number 7, I request you please support and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. MCQs number 1. Which of the following has a range of 40 to 50 kilometers? Option A, Wi-Fi. Option B, WiMAX. Option C, Bluetooth. Option D, infrared. Correct answer is option B, WiMAX. MCQs number 2. Which of these uses extremely high frequency waves for short-range communication? Option A, Wi-Fi. Option B, WiMAX. Option C, Bluetooth. Option D, infrared. Correct answer is option D, infrared. MCQs number 3. Which of these is used for communication between mobile phones, laptop computers, and digital cameras? Option A, Wi-Fi. Option B, WiMAX. Option C, Bluetooth. Option D, radio signal. Correct answer is option C, Bluetooth. MCQs number 4. Which of these is positioned from 160 to 2000 kilometers above the Earth's surface? Option A, geostationary Earth orbit. Option B, medium Earth orbit. Option C, low Earth orbit. Option D, Galileo. Correct answer is option C, low Earth orbit. MCQs number 5. Which orbit is located directly above the Earth equator? Option A, geostationary Earth orbit. Option B, medium Earth orbit. Option C, low Earth orbit. Option D, Galileo. Correct answer is option A, geostationary Earth orbit. MCQs number 6. What is a fixed station in a cellular wireless network that provides local coverage for mobile communication? Option A, base station. Option B, satellite. Option C, mobile terminal. Option D, global positioning. Correct answer is option A, base station. MCQs number 7. What is used to create web pages? Option A, HTML. Option B, HTTP. Option C, WAP. Option D, TCP. Correct answer is option A, HTML. MCQs number 8. What is HTTP? Option A, markup language. Option B, protocol for mobile phones. Option C, application layer protocol. Option D, transport layer protocol. Correct answer is option C, application layer protocol. MCQs number 9. In which Earth orbit satellite is placed for navigation? Option A, geostationary Earth orbit. Option B, medium Earth orbit. Option C, low Earth orbit. Option D, high Earth orbit. Correct answer is option B, medium Earth orbit. MCQs number 10. Which of these provides a wireless alternative to cable TV and DSL? Option A, Bluetooth. Option B, infrared. Option C, WiMAX. Option D, wireless access point. Correct answer is option C, WiMAX. MCQs number 11. Which device allows wireless devices to connect to a wired network using Wi-Fi? Option A, access point. Option B, antenna. Option C, repeater. Option D, NIC. Correct answer is option A, access point. MCQs number 12. Which of the following is a short-range wireless technology? Option A, Bluetooth. Option B, satellite. Option C, cellular. Option D, GPS. Correct answer is option A, Bluetooth. MCQs number 13. Bluetooth technology is commonly used in Option A, mobile phones. Option B, scanner. Option C, satellite. Option D, server. Correct answer is option A, mobile phones. MCQs number 14. A geo is at the dash orbit and revolves at the same speed as the Earth. Option A, equatorial. Option B, polar. Option C, inclined. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option A, equatorial. MCQs number 15. GEO stands for Option A, geometric Earth orbit. Option B, geo-Earth orbit. Option C, geostationary Earth orbit. Option D, graphical Earth orbit. Correct answer is option C, geostationary Earth orbit. MCQs number 16. GPS satellites are dash satellites. Option A, GEO. Option B, MEO. Option C, LEO. Option D, REO. Correct answer is option B, MEO. MCQs number 17. Cellular phones work by using dash to communicate. Option A, radio waves. Option B, infrared. Option C, fiber optic. Option D, microborers. Correct answer is option A, radio waves. MCQs number 18. Each transmitter in cellular systems is called Option A, base station. Option B, radio station. Option C, main station. Option D, mobile station. Correct answer is option A, base station. MCQs number 19. The base station covers a certain area called Option A, mobile. Option B, cell. Option C, system. Option D, sector. Correct answer is option B, cell. MCQs number 20. Which of the following is ideal for long-distance communication? Option A, satellite communication. Option B, infrared. Option C, Bluetooth. Option D, WiMAX. Correct answer is option A, satellite communication. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question related to computer science, please write me in the comments. We will try our best to solve it for you. Class 11th and 12th PDF notes available at very nominal price. Please contact WhatsApp. If you like this efforts, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and do not forget to like and share the video.